These are the replacement light bulbs if you want to order them. Basically all I'm going to do is just pop this little thing out here. No tools required. Set that off to the side because you'll need to replace that. So this is the panel you have to take off. And then this is where the brake light will come in. So this you're just going to twist off. I'll show you that in a second. The light is the outermost light. So I'm just twisting counterclockwise. And that light bulb should... Don't give you much wire. There's a wiring harness here that you can pull out a little bit, give you more wiggle room. I'm just going to pull out that light bulb. You're just going to twist again, counterclockwise. You can see that the bulb is burned out. You can see the bulb is burnt out. If you look at a new bulb, you don't have that dark spot. So that's indicative of a burnout light. So it's the right one, as well as we checked it before we started. Now some bulbs you have to worry about putting your the oil on your skin on, like halogen bulbs and stuff like this. I was told that you don't have to worry about these. All we're going to do is put it back in, twist clockwise. I'm going to put this back in. We just need to put this wiring harness and everything back with bolts on there, and then we're just going to push this through. You got to line up some locator pins, and just clockwise snaps in. Just going to quick put the wiring harness back. Then all we need to do is return this. Make sure you go the right way. Like new. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Let me know if you have anything that you would like to see repair-wise or any other random thing. All right, have a great day.